Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to what will be the world's fastest multi-launch coaster, which is pretty exciting right here in Williamsburg. So Pantheon, obviously, and as you can see, the track is near completion next couple of days. So the track will be 100% complete. Where we're standing, we have our top hat feature, which has a beyond vertical drop at 95 degrees. So what the ride's going to do is actually come up the top hat once and then fall back down, and you're going to go backwards over right where we're sitting now, back up that spike, up over the top hat, down the 95-degree drop, and then around the balance of the ride. So very, very exciting. Uses a switch track, which has only been used a couple times in the world, once over in China and once down at Universal. So very, very cool technology. Our ride engineer will talk a little bit more about the switch track here in a moment. But 73 miles an hour, 3 different launches. On 2, we'll have 2 trains running, and just going to be an amazing, really one-of-a-kind ride, completely custom. That takes in the topography of the park. So truly one of a kind of experience, and just excited to get it going this spring. So with that, what questions can we answer about the ride?
Top speed?
73. Yep. After you leave the top hat portion, you'll gain top speed over there at 73, which is pretty cool. 3 different launches. You'll actually launch immediately right out of the station at its first turn, and then 2 of the launches exist here, like I said, with the switch track. You're gonna actually go by it once. The track will move, and that allows you to get onto that spike back there. So very unique element. Yes?
What was that height requirement?
52 inches is the height requirement. Yep. So it'll be the same as Apollo's Chariot. We do have some at 54, Griffin and Alpengeist, but this one will be 52. Capacity, I don't think, I mean, there is a theoretical, but it should be very similar to like an Apollo's Chariot. So, probably in the 800 range, give or take.
Any unforeseen challenges with the switch track?
No. Our great ride manufacturer, Intamin, we work closely with them. Again, the switch track is in place now and operating. So that's always, sometimes it's fun to be the first ever, but sometimes it's nice to have some things in operation already. So we've seen it live. Some of our engineers have gone and seen other coasters that are using it, so feel really good about the technology, and yeah, can't wait to debut it here. Sorry.
First statement, coaster in the park was swayed to the decision to go that direction?
They're a great partner. Our company has used them, as you know, for rides like Cheetah Hunt and others in our system. So, and they do work here. Pompeii, Roman Rapids boats, other things. So, strong relationship overall with the company, and they've proven themselves as one of the premier manufacturers in the world. So excited to partner with our first coaster here.
Did you use an Intamin crew, or did you hire locally to work on the ride?
So we work closely with Intamin on site. The actual track construction and the assembly here is done through a local contractor, but in close collaboration with Intamin. Yes.
Are you targeting a spring opening or a summer?
Spring. Yep. Haven't narrowed in on a date yet, but it'll be sometime this spring.
Anything else, kid?
We want it open as quickly as you guys do. Believe me, we're as excited as everybody else. So it's
How about where was the traffic impact?
You know what? I don't remember off the top of my head, but Jonathan would know that. Overseas, but I don't remember exactly.
Good job.
But yep, John, I can answer that for you. Yes.
What did this area used to be?
So this was some animal pastures, and basically what we did was kind of rearrange the configuration so the animal pastures all still exist, just in a different configuration. So all kind of cohabitating back here, which is very, very unique. You'll actually walk right past some of the horse pastures as you're coming up through the queue line. As you cross the bridge over in Festa is how you're going to get to the ride. You'll actually walk down almost to where we're standing, not quite this far. You'll actually walk under the track and then back up toward the station. And you'll probably see some horses on the way.
Any opportunity for first-time riders, any events scheduled?
Yep. So we're going to look at some member exclusive ride time and some of the first folks to ride. So we don't have all the details on that yet, but yes, we're looking at some exclusive opportunities for our members.
All right.